In this video, you'll learn how to track your eBay order efficiently. This process will help you stay informed about the status of your purchases, ensuring you know when to expect your items. Begin by logging into your eBay account. You will need to enter your email address and password on the login page. Once you have successfully accessed your account dashboard, look for the section labeled My eBay at the top of the page. Click on this section to proceed. Next, from the drop-down menu, select Purchase History. This action will take you to a page displaying all the items you have recently bought. Each entry in your purchase history includes important details about the seller, item description, and the current order status. This page serves as the primary location for checking tracking information related to your orders. Now, locate the specific item you wish to track within your purchase history list. Next to the item details, you will typically find an option labeled Track Package or View Order Details. Click on this option to access the tracking page associated with your order. eBay will then display shipping updates provided by the carrier, which could be USPS, FedEx, or UPS. Once you are on the tracking page, you can monitor the latest shipping status of your package. The page will indicate whether the item has been shipped, is currently in transit, or has already been delivered. If there are any delays, the tracking system will often provide updated delivery estimates. This allows you to check the status of your order at any time, helping you stay informed about when your package is expected to arrive. It is important to note that the speed of updates may depend on the carrier's reporting practices. Additionally, if your order includes multiple items, you may need to repeat these steps for each item to track their individual statuses effectively.